Okay, we have just a quick unboxing of the ESV Journaling Bible. You have history. You have the New Testament. You have the Pentateuch, which is, of course, the first 5 books of the Bible, which, of course, is Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. You have the prophets. And last, we have poetry. Again, these are all in the ESV version. And we'll put them So I taped this already, but it did not go. So we have a preface for the Old Testament. Then we get into Genesis. We have all this lovely room to write. We have Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. All in here. All in here. And then in the New Testament, you have all of the New Testament in this one journaling Bible. So you have all of the New Testament here. Acts, Romans, etc. So I am excited about using these. My plan for this is to do read the whole Bible, okay? Not a Bible in a year, because you know that's not going to happen. But just going through the Bible in order, in the canon order as we know it to be, as opposed to chronological order, which is the Bible recap plan. But I do want to do it that way too, because I think it'll make more sense, but probably just reading casually. But I'm planning to actually study the entire Bible, going through 1 to 2 chapters a day. There is a 1-year Bible reading plan in the About My Father's Business planner. However, yeah, so I think I'm just going to follow that. So it won't be necessarily every single day. And of course, we're getting ready to hit February, so it's not going to be it's not going to be like a full year. So I'm giving myself that grace, right? Because you need a day off here or there, what have you, as far as doing that type of study. So I'm going to, just do it as often as I can. But I'm not putting any pressure on myself to do it, every single day, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, because I do a lot of other stuff. So, that is the plan for these. I'm excited. I want to start off, of course, with the Pentateuch, with Genesis chapter 1. And they have a nice little preface in here. And then, getting started with chapters 1 and 2, or like the first day. But what I will do actually as well is follow along with Kanoy Gibson's videos, to like in addition to this, reading this, using my study Bibles, commentaries, and in addition to that, then watching the video as well, I think will be great. So I'm looking forward to that, and I can bring you along the journey.